It's Pt.1
I got a lot to endure, there ain't no stopping the storm. Homie, the top is it warm, so chill. I think I need my light bulb fixed. That's of lately, I ain't been getting hyped on shit. Life's a journey, you gotta find your niche. I'm leaving this tight space because I don't fit, and I'm moving away. My whole life I'ma start from scratch as an artist and trap.
What's going on, everybody? It's TMB23 here, back with another video. And as you guys saw in that previous clip, I did the full install of the voltmeter in the truck, but I want to thank the recent subscribers who have subscribed to the channel while I haven't been uploading this regularly. So thank you guys, I really appreciate it. We're at 186 at the time of this recording, so guys, thank you so much. But I've installed this voltmeter and I want to show you guys how I got to this point and where we're at. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys saw, I removed the battery and everything. I have the power wire running to the positive. Everything's still not done just yet, so I need to just strap the camera to the tripod and we can go ahead and get started. But I want to show you guys this. I have the panel just up here for test fitting purposes. You can see the wires are ran right down through here, and then here's the voltmeter right here. But this panel just pops off real easy. There we go. So as you can see, the humidity sensor went right here. I removed that because it was right in the way. Then I have the negative wire right here connected to here. Don't know exactly where this is running to, but it's a good ground. It's less than 3 feet. Of course, I told you where the power wires ran. And then I have this right here connected to the amps, the remote wire. That way it turns on when the amps turn on. I can get a constant voltage whenever it is on. So I just need to tidy up some of this wiring here and then finish it up, put the battery back in, and show you guys what my voltage looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize now, guys. I thought the camera was recording when I was trying to do the time lapse for installing the voltmeter, but that wasn't the case. I wasn't recording at all. But as you see, everything is done. The voltmeter is installed. I just need to now put the sub back in here. I tidied up the wiring so it looks good. Doesn't look that bad anymore. So now just throw the sub in here, test the voltage, and I'm pretty sure when we do get to wanging on the system, we are going to need a high output alternator, which I already have. So this is pretty much going to be a part one. Then the part two is when we install the high output alternator and see how steady the voltage holds after that. So let's throw this in here real quick and see the voltage. Installed, and we are sitting at 15 volts, which is pretty good. That's actually pretty surprising, to be honest. But one of my subscribers recently recommended that I go ahead and install a high output alternator, so thanks, man, for recommending that. I haven't done it yet. We're still on the stock alternator, but when I do it, I'm going to ask you for tips and everything. But like I said, now we're sitting at like 13.8 now. But I'm going to try to play something real quick. Let's see. So I'm going to try to play one of these beats where I don't get copyrighted. You know, on YouTube they will still try to do so. So I'm going to try to play this, see how it sounds. Look at the voltage. just reviewed some of that footage and I saw we got down to like 11.8 volts. So I'm gonna play something a little bit more mainstream, but I'm gonna try to get the voltage back up by just getting on the throttle a little bit. So it's gonna be ecstasy. Alright guys, so now I'm in the Fusion, and the idea came from me wanting to perfect something for my video because I want to put a voltmeter in the edge also. So you guys saw that, but you haven't seen the voltmeter in the Fusion. It's right here in the sunglass holder. You can see I have the car already started. It's only at 11.1 volts, and I know that's wrong. I might be experiencing some voltage drop because the ground is like further than 3 feet, so I'm pretty sure that's what my issue's coming up. And even when I give it some throttle, it doesn't go up. So I think I need to redo this. And I could have put it in this spot right here, like I put it in the edge, since most Ford products are the same, but it would have been more at a downward angle, and that would have been, not very seeable, I guess is the word. But that's where I stand with this project. I might put a sound system back in the Fusion, who knows? But guys, that takes quite a bit of money, and I might not be keeping this car, who knows, things change. But guys, thanks for watching. Give me a comment, guys, give me a like, and guys, thanks for watching.